What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Rolls back here with another video. So today, well actually the past couple days or so, I've been having a rough idle, and I'll go ahead and start that up for you guys right now just so you can see. But I bought a bottle of this stuff, and right here, this Lucas Injector Cleaner, because I feel like it's a stuck injector. I'm not really sure. I haven't done any other maintenance than change the oil. It could be plugs and wires, but really I'm hoping this will just fix it. So Matt, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I am gonna go ahead and put the whole bottle in there. Worst case, I get new spark plugs and whatever else. Yeah, so you guys can see the idle right now. It kind of sounds cool, I mean, because it sounds cammed, but obviously you know it's running like trash. So here we go. I have hit quite a few bumps and it has messed with the ignition, so I have to turn it forward, back, and then slightly forward again. So this is what we're dealing with right now. Cammed, I'm telling you. We're gonna go ahead and pour the rest of the bottle in here. I just filled up the tank, so it does say to put the whole bottle of this in the truck, so let's try it. Wow, okay. Definitely didn't forget to put this back. Nice. Nobody saw that. Okay, cool. Thanks, Rolls. Whatever works. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna go drive it around. I might go film another video or something else, but I gotta get this stuff pumping through the engine, and honestly I hope it works. Otherwise I'm gonna have to do plugs, coils, wires. Not coils, they're not coils in this truck, they're plugs and wires in the distributor. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a little bit with an update. Alright, so if you guys have been wondering what's going on with Cinnamon, the main car here on the channel, well, my dad backed into the bumper, and I finally got it sent off for fixing the crack and painting it. Finally, it's not show season yet. It is still freezing outside, and nobody really likes to go to shows at the moment, at least in my area. You know, some people are going down to Florida, stuff like that, but I'm not going all the way to Florida. I'll go to Virginia, Tennessee, South Carolina, and Georgia, but beyond that, I usually won't go anywhere. Oh my goodness, it's not raining in this video. That's crazy. Anyway, so it is a couple days later or so. I think I'm at like half a tank. I woke up really late today, but we're gonna go ahead and give this bad boy a cold start. And you guys remember what it sounded like before, but here we go. This is what it sounded like now. So also my ignition's a little messed up, but okay, that was stopped. Before it sounded completely cammed, and it's super quiet now. Super quiet now. So far, all I've had to do to fix this truck, well, besides alternator, change the oil and put injector cleaner in it, and it runs amazing. But anyways, this has been Fitz and Rolls back here with another video. We'll see you guys in the next one.